Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the group presentation. My name is Tom.
So yeah, hi. This is Savan Somana. So we will be talking about the sustainable marketing proposal, next generation sustainable market materials. So the first of all, the market analysis. So based on the current market scenario, swimwear brands are increasingly utilizing sustainable fabrics such as Econile and Preview, along with embracing circular fashion models and implementing zero waste production techniques to minimize the environmental footprints. The trends also include like advancement taking place in the textile technologies where fabrics are made with UV protection and quick drying capabilities and enhancement in the like durability. The main report shows that like the global sustainable swimwear market size was valued at $7.8 billion in 2022, which is expected to like grow in 7.7% higher by 2032. The primary data was collected from like the 10 respondents who include the current and the potential customers for sea folly. So the customer preferences regarding sustainability are also changing where from question 4 from primary data collection. It can be seen that 80% of the respondents are aware of eco-friendly materials like recycled nylon or the algae-based fabrics in swimwear. So like the next part will be explained by my friend Tom.
Yeah, okay. Based on the challenge of the next generation sustainable materials, it is important for safely to align materials innovation strategies along with a real different target audience. This indicates this indicates the identifies target audience is ec- conscious women aged 20 to 35, will middle to upper middle income residing in city and coast cities. Based on psychographic attributes, the, the target audience have has a strong value confined for sustainability, ethical consumption, and wellness. Moreover, their lifestyle includes be health conscious, active, and socially engaged. Their lifestyle will priority wellness, sustainability, and fashion make them open to innovation in eco-friendly materials. Being digitally activity and the one who values ethical transparency, they are willing to invest in quality swing that aligns with their values. Okay, next part, Saman.
So the next part, like the marketing strategies. So the marketing strategies which align with the client's sustainable and ethical values include like one key marketing strategy is the introduction of material innovation label on each products, explaining the origin, life cycle, and the impact of algae-based or biodegradable fibers. For example, through the QR codes, it can be linked as if linked at its will be help in building trust with the informed research focused target audience, launching virtual and physical innovation labs where consumers can vote on new materials. This can empower audience to participate in sustainable innovations like campaigns named Test the Future, collaborating with micro influencers and co-activists with can resonate with an audience that values substance over the celebrity. Next, the CSR initiative. One of the important CSR initiative that CFOLI can undertake involves the establishment of a fund to support Australian startups, research, and investors who are working on biodegradable or ocean-friendly textiles. This can contribute towards encouraging local innovations and ethical sourcing and exclusive partnership. Another CSR initiative can be include the launch of limited edition swimwear range, which is made up of experimental biodegradable or algae-based fibers, which will be used for funding marine biodiversity biodiversity projects. So the this shall educate the consumers to avoid greenwashing and also build accountability. So next, the expected outcomes. The expected outcomes. So it can be said that the expected outcomes can be seen 30 to 50% lower carbon emissions per unit with algae-based or biodegradable fabrics, around 20 to 25% growth in sales of sustainable product lines, and the partnership with 3 to 5 material startups or universities in the first year. Next, from the McKinsey's 2022, the state of the fashion report stated that more than 60% of Gen Z and millennials consider sustainability when making fashion purchases. On the other hand, C-Foley can also position itself as a pioneer in sustainable swimwear innovation, building consumers' trust, loyalty through transparency and consistency and ethical values. So, in addition, an increase in internal alignment around sustainability goals and building strong collaboration with the ethical suppliers and eco-friendly investor can be achieved. So, I finally want to complete by saying the proposal will provide visible evidence of the positive outcomes of the material strategies and CSR initiatives, such as positive media coverage and reduction of waste. So by this we would end our proposal. So I am thank you, ma'am. I'm Savan Somana, and this is my teammate Tom.
Thank you for listening. Thank you.
Thank you.